Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the important facts of periodic table, and you guys know that I'm sharing the modern periodic table with you guys. So the first fact which we are going to discuss that the charge on an atom, like as we know very well that Na has a plus 1 charge and K has also plus 1 charge. Rb rubidium has also plus 1 charge. So we can say that in periodic table, in a group, the charge remains constant. In a group, like in this way, in a group, a charge remains constant. As you can notice that the sodium's charge is plus 1, it's plus 1, K it's also plus 1, rubidium is also plus 1, cesium is also plus 1, and francium is also plus 1. So we can deduce that in a group the charge remains same. Okay, so this is fact number 1. And the fact number 2, similarly in group 2, in this group, throughout the charge will be positive 2, like Be have positive 2, Mg have positive 2, Ca have positive 2, this have positive 2, positive 2, and positive 2. Here also, here we have positive 2. Oh sorry, in boron it's actually the group number 3, we call it group 3, and here it is mentioned as well, you can see. So group 3 means these are, group 1 is a metal, this is metal, and these are also metals. And as we know that metals always lose electrons. Okay, after losing electrons they gain positive charge. Okay, so the group 3 is also a metallic group, so it also will lose electrons and get a charge of plus 3. Now from onward group 3 we have non-metals. These are all non-metals. I'm writing it with different color, non-metals. Now non-metals, you know that fluorine has an electronic configuration of 2 and 7. So it needs one electron to complete its shell. That's why it will gain one electron, and when it will gain an electron, so it will get a negative charge. So throughout this group, throughout group 17, or we can call it a group 7. Okay, we can call it a 17 group, and we can call it group number 7. Okay, so throughout the group 17 or 7 the charge will remain same. It means it will remain -1. Okay, similarly if we move towards group number 8, 6, or you can say 16. So as you know, the proton number of the oxygen is 8. Let me erase something from here. If we are talking about this one, and as you know that the oxygen's proton number is 8, means 2 in the first shell and other 6 in the second shell. So it needs 2 electrons to complete its valence shell. That's why it needs 2 electrons. When it will gain 2 electrons from another atom, then it will get a -2 charge. Okay, that's why throughout this group the charge will remain -2, because we have right now we have studied that and we have learned that throughout the group the charge remains same. And similarly in nitrogen is 7, and its electronic configuration is 2 and 5. It needs 3 electrons. Then when it will gain 3 electrons from another atom, then it will get a -3 charge. Okay. And group 14 or group 4, these are basically mixture of metals. Sometimes they show metallic character and sometimes they show non-metallic, upon the situation. It depends upon the situation. Okay. So we have covered that charges, and we right now the point which we have discussed is the charge throughout the group remains same. Okay, one point we have covered. Okay, let me erase. Okay, now the second important fact is, as we are going in this direction, you can notice that charge increasing till group 3. Here +1, here +2, here +3. Okay, then from this onward start in non-metals, then it will have, you can say, -4, -3, -2 and -1. So this is a trend. From group 1 to group 3 the charge increases, and then from group 4 to group 7 it decreases. Means these are non-metals, as you know very well that these are non-metals and their powers are in negatives. So -4, -3, -2 and -1. Okay, this is the second rule. Okay, I mean second fact. Same with this period. These, let me show or let me tell you one more thing that is also very important, and that is these vertical arrangements are known as groups. Okay, and when we talked about like in this way, then these are periods. Okay, periods. So the point is, in vertically they are known as groups, and horizontally they are known as periods. Okay, so another point we have covered. Now we are going to talk about the group number 18. It's also known as group number 8, as well as it is also known as group 0. Okay, these are the stable, you can say stable elements of the periodic table. That's why these are known as noble gases. It means they don't take part in any kind of chemical reaction at our level. Okay, because they have no need to take part in the chemical reaction, because they're already stable. These are not stable. That's why they take part in chemical bonding to get the structure of the nearest noble gas. Okay, but noble gases are already stabilized. That's why they have no need to take part in chemical reaction. Okay, so this is for today, and in this lecture we have done some important facts of the periodic table, and I hope it's made clear to you each and everything. And if you feel any kind of queries, you can comment me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching.